Very good morning. Myself, Zabra Madam from Zabra classes. Here we are going to have a brief introduction of physics. Actually, physics is not a brief subject. It is very fast. But you don't worry for the physics. If you are having only three things with you, then you can get 100% score in physics. The most important is you have to focus your goal. Focus. If you are focusing on your goal, then it is very easy to reach up to the goal. And you have to trust, you have to believe on the book, on the teaching method of the teacher. If you believe, you focus, definitely you will get the success. You have to believe whatever you are doing, you have to focus your target. And the most important is the hard work. If the three things are with you, then physics is very simple for you. Under the heading physics, whatever we study, that is very solid. Once you got the concept, permanently you will remember the concept. Permanent. If you are the engineering student or the medical or the architecture student, once you got the concept, then there is no need again and again to go through the concept. This is not at all volatile subject like your organic chemistry and biology. This is the firm subject, firm. Once you have studied, that's all. You have studied 2 to the 4 in the lower class. Till today, you know 2 to the 4. Exactly in the similar manner, you can't forget physics. Under the heading of physics, we are having the more important term, that is the physical quantities. What we study in physics, not only the physical quantities, basically, we study in physics the day-to-day phenomena. Actually, you know what is the physics? Physics deals with the natural phenomena. Physics deals with the natural phenomenon. Natural phenomenon. What are the natural phenomenons? Physics deals with natural phenomenon. Natural phenomenon. Lightning in the sky, waterfall. These are the natural phenomenons. Physics deals with the natural phenomenon. Their cause, why it happens so. Physics deals with natural phenomenon, their cause, and their application in our day-to-day life to make it luxurious and comfortable. See, physics deals with natural phenomena. Lightning in the sky. Why the lightning occurs in the sky? And in which case the lightning fall on the earth. J.J. Thomson got the concept of this lightning, and J.J. Thomson discovered the X-rays, cathode rays, charge to mass ratio, just because of the phenomenon of lightning in the sky. He got the cause, then he is having the application, and nowadays our life is very much comfortable with use of X-ray. You can detect the bone fracture, etc. One more example, mirage formation. Mirage formation, you know, on a sunny day, if you are on the highways in the four-wheeler, if you are in the four-wheeler and your vehicle is on the highway, then you might be able to see the water on the road. You feel that there is the water. But as your vehicle reaches up to that point, there is no water. This is the mirage. Mirage is also the natural phenomenon, and this is the example of total internal reflection. Then we got the concept why it happens so. Why natural phenomenon? Mirage. Cause total internal reflection. Application optic fiber. The application of total internal reflection is in the optic fiber. Optic fiber we use for sake of communication. Now today you are able to see me, you are able to listen me because of this mobile. Mobile we are getting from the communication system. So optic fibers are used for communication, and optic fibers are also used in the medical science for endoscopy. Optic fiber works totally on the concept of total internal reflection, and total internal reflection is the cause for mirage. So what is physics? If I ask you what is physics, then your definition will be it deals with physical quantities, force, power, light. That is not the physics. What we study in physics is That are some small parts of the physics, but that is not actually physics. What is actually physics? Physics deals with natural phenomena, their cause. The first natural phenomenon that Newton got of physics is the gravity. He was just sitting on a bench in a garden and you observe the apple is falling. Natural phenomenon starts from the Newton. Why apple falling? Apple, natural phenomenon. Then he decided to have the cause for that. And he got the cause of gravity. And now we are having n number of applications of gravitational force and the gravity, and that is making our life luxurious. All the concepts of the physics are making our life luxurious. You are having AC, you are having four-wheelers, two-wheeler, your vehicle can run on the road. The friction in the tires of the vehicle and the road, grooves in the tire, button start vehicle. This is because of physics. Your life is very comfortable because of physics. And nowadays your most wanted and very close friend, mobile handsets based totally on the concepts of the electronics and chips and the different electronic components. So physics deals with the natural phenomena starting from Newton. Newton is the godfather of physics. Its cause, application, and this makes our life more comfortable. So under the heading physics, dear students, we study physical quantities. Quantities, measurable quantities. Why you are having so much phobia of physics? Because you feel there are many things in the physics, how to ignore. There are no many things in the physics. Only simple 7 quantities are there in the physics. From that simple 7, only 5 quantities you have to remember. And these 5 quantities makes the physics very simple, easy, comfortable. So what are these 5 quantities? These quantities are the fundamental quantities and the derived quantities. What are the fundamental quantities? What are the derived quantities? What are vectors? What are scalars? All these we are going to study under the heading of general physics. Keep in mind, in physics you are having two major parts. One is the general physics. General physics includes these physical quantities, then sound, heat, sound, heat, mechanics. This all comes under the heading of general physics. This is a general physics and this covers one section of your syllabus. And the second section is related with the light, electricity, magnetism, light, electricity, magnetism. And one more important term, that is the modern physics. And under the heading of modern physics, we are having the communication skills, then different electronic components, atom, molecule, nucleus, all concepts we study under the heading of modern. So under total physics is actually divided into portions. One is the general physics, another is the light, electricity, magnetism, and the modern physics. So all these terms, all these quantities we study in physics in 11th and 12th. 11th and 12th standard physics is very simple if you focus and have the hard work. It is very easy to score maximum score in the subject so that you can have the entry in your dream college. As soon as you enter in the 11th class, you decide to have some specific, you decide to have some specific profession. I want to become doctor, I want to become architect, an engineer from IIT, engineer from NITs, etc. I want doctor from AIMS. So all are having the different goals and everybody is having his dream college. For example, you decide I want to become doctor from AIMS Delhi. I want only AIMS Delhi. AIMS Delhi is my dream college. IIT Powai is my dream college. NIT Nagpur, my dream college. So for your dream college, you have to focus on physics. See, if you are a medical student, then it is very necessary to focus on physics. Only on the basis of bio and chemistry, you can't enter in the medical college. For the engineering students, it is must to know the physics, because after the tie, the second subject is physics, and very easily you can score maximum in physics. Both medical engineering, both engineering students are not having that much phobia, but medical students are having some phobia. They feel there are many derivations and no derivations. Very few small derivations are there, and these derivations are just to make your concept clear. In board exams also, you don't have to write all these derivations, and in competitive exam you have to take extract. Extract means you have to take the formula directly, but you should know the steps. Unless and until you know the steps of the derivation, you will be unable to use the formula directly. So directly formula you can't remember, so you try to understand the derivation. Formulas are very simple. Once you know the derivation, then you can use the formula and you can solve the numericals, and there are no more calculations. Very few calculations are there in the numericals. Don't take the tension of physics. Before studying, once you sit with me, you study physics, you will feel comfortable, you will feel physics is very easy. Then easily you can start your subject. Many students I am having, some repeaters especially, initially they were having the phobia of physics and they got very few score, 10 marks, 12 marks, 20 marks. And with me, when they are studying with me here, then they got the score 95%, 99%. One of my repeater student in the medical, he was the medical student and he got 160 marks, and initially he was having only 60 marks in physics. So that is the thing. What I want to tell you, you have to focus, trust, and hard work. The three things, if are with you, then it is not difficult to score in this subject. It is very, very, very simple. Only the thing is try to make the concepts clear, hard work, and consistency is more important in this subject. Now see, under the heading of light also, when we study light, you know the natural phenomenon. Just now I told you natural phenomenon. Now, when you are getting the definition of physics in this manner, your view towards the subject changes. Now, you will not see towards physics as a hard subject. You will see towards the physics, oh, it is a natural phenomenon. Light, sky looks blue, rainbow in the sky looks red sometime, rising sun, red in color, sunset, red, why it happens so? Questions of answers of all these questions are in physics. These are all related with the atmospheric refraction and total internal reflection. So simple. This we have got from nature, and we are having the application of this color code in our day-to-day life in the road signals. Road signals are red in color. Why the red color is supposed to danger? We are getting the answer from the nature only. That is physics. So physics is very simple. Love physics. Physics will love you. This is a Newton's third law of motion. You know Newton's third law of motion is, for every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. This much is not sufficient. For every action, there is equal, opposite, and instantaneous reaction. In Newton's law, the body do not think when to give the reaction. Instantaneously, the body is giving the reaction. When you throw the ball towards the wall, exactly at the same moment, again you are getting the ball from you. Again you are getting the ball from the wall, and the ball is coming towards you. Action, reaction, equal, opposite, instantaneous. Love physics. Physics will love you instantaneously, without a time lag. Without a time lag, you will understand the subject is very easy. Try to make the concepts clear. Always, whenever we study physics, first thing is that why it happens so, how you are getting this term, and more important one is you are getting very new quantities here. Don't try to, for example, suppose here we are having a physicals to BIL. You know F is force, I is the current, L is the length. So easily you can calculate the unit of this new quantity. This new quantity is basically the magnetic induction. So you are very easily you can write the dimensions also. In exam, there are many questions related with units and dimensions. So there you can have B is equals to F upon I into L. So here easily you can have the unit of this quantity. You should be able to adjust the quantities. You should be able to relate the quantities, and physics is simple. And it is possible to observe, relate the quantities once the concepts are clear. Unless and until the concept is clear, you are unable to relate the quantities. So try to relate all the physical quantities, and then you will understand the subject is very simple. So see you soon. Come soon. Let us have a good discussion and try to create the confidence in the subject. Have a nice time. Thank you very much.